रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज रयत ऑनलाइन स्कूल एजुकेशन रोज प्रोजेक्ट 2021-22 welcomes all of you. Myself Sri Mohite Sagar Ramchandra from Sriman Ganpati Ramchet Warange Junior College Malkapur. Standard 12 subject bookkeeping and accountancy, HSC subject code number 5050. Today's topic is reconstitution of partnership firm, admission of partner, unsolved problem number 4, page number 163. Let's start with the problem which is given on the textbook, page number 163. Mr. Deep and Mr. Karan were in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3:1 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 stood as follows. Balance sheet. Liability side, sundry creditors rupees 40,000, bills payable rupees 10,000, bank overdraft rupees 11,000, capital accounts Deep 60,000, Karan 20,000, overall capital 80,000, general reserve 8,000, cash 40,000, sundry debtors 32,000, land and building 16,000, stock 20,000, plant and machinery 30,000, furniture 11,000, overall total of balance sheet 1,49,000. They admit Shubham into partnership on 1st April 2018, the terms being that he shall have to bring rupees 20,000 as his capital for 1/5 share in future profits and rupees 10,000 as his share of goodwill. Number 2, a provision for 5% doubtful debts to be created on sundry debtors. It means RDD is maintained on sundry debtors. It will be reduction in the value of debtors. Number 3, furniture be depreciated by 20%. Furniture also reduced by 20%. Number 4, stock should be appreciated by 5% and building be appreciated by 20%. Stock and building is appreciated by 5% and 20%. Next, capital accounts of all partners be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio. Capital accounts of all partners are adjusted in new profit sharing ratio through cash account. Capital account should be adjusted whatever they have to bring money or giving back to money by the cash account. So we have to prepare a cash account. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, balance sheet of the new firm. They have told us to prepare profit and loss adjustment means revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. Let's go to the see this format of these three account plus cash account. Here is the in the books of new partnership firm. Here is the format of profit and loss adjustment account, debit side, credit side. Only one column is there, no inner column is requested. Particulars, amount in rupees, particulars, amount in rupees. Then partners capital account. There are two partners and one is admitted, so we need a 3 columns, that is particular Deep's debit side amount in rupees, Karan's debit side amount in rupees, Shubham's amount in rupees, again particulars of credit side, Deep's amount in rupees, Karan's amount in rupees and Shubham's amount in rupees. Then format of balance sheet, as we know, new balance sheet will be done here on 1st April 2018, that is liabilities, inner column amount in rupees, outer column amount in rupees, asset side, assets, inner column amount in rupees and outer column amount in rupees. Same for cash book. Cash book will be in working note. Cash book debit side particular amount in rupees, particulars amount in rupees for credit side. Then we are going to solve this problem by the old balance sheet. First of all, we have to transfer this balance sheet to their respective accounts. So we have to transfer this old balance sheet to the new balance sheet, and whatever the adjustment on the assets or liabilities, it will be considered at the inner column. So as we know, in the ledger accounts, there we start from liabilities, sundry creditors 40,000, it will be going to new balance sheet, sundry creditors outer side there is no adjustment, so it is 40,000. Then bills payable 10,000, bills payable outer side 10,000. Then bank overdraft 11,000, bank overdraft will be also come here, bank overdraft 11,000. Then capital accounts of Deep and Karan, it will be go to the capital accounts, that is by balance brought down, Deep's 60,000, Karan's 20,000, and Shubham there is no opening capital of Shubham, so it will be dash. Next, general reserve, as we know that general reserve will be distributed to the old partners in their old ratio. We have working note for that to find out the general reserve distributed as follows. Old ratio of the firm is 3:1. So Deep's share in general reserve, that is general reserve is 8,000, their share is 3/4. It is get from 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 3/4 and 1/4, that is 6,000. Current share in general reserve 8,000 into 1/4 is equal to 2,000. It should be go to the partners capital account by general reserve account. As a working note we have taken into consideration 6,000 and current account 2,000. There is no right to take general reserve to Shubham, so it will also be dash. Next, cash. We have opened a cash account, so we go to the cash account balances, that is cash account. We have discussed earlier, two balance brought down, cash account 40,000. Next, sundry debtors, there is adjustment on sundry debtors, that is RDD, so it will become to the asset side, inner column, asset side, inner column, sundry debtors 32,000. Next, land and building 16,000, it is also has an adjustment, so it will become to the inner column 16,000. Next, stock 20,000, stock also have appreciation, so it will come to the inner side 20,000. Next, plant and machinery 30,000, there is a no adjustment on plant and machinery, so it is going to the outer column, plant and machinery 30,000. Next, furniture 11,000, there is adjustment on furniture, so it will come to the inner column, furniture 11,000. Now we going towards the adjustments. They admit Shubham into partnership on 1st April 2018 on the terms being that he shall have to bring rupees 20,000 as his capital. Shubham had bring rupees 20,000 as a capital in cash, So the entry will be made on cash account. So we have go to the cash account, then we see the entry to Shubham's capital account 20,000. The second effect of this entry will be to the partner's capital account. Partner's capital account, by cash account only Shubham's column will be shown 20,000. Next, and rupees 10,000 as share of goodwill. Here are the big working note should be done for goodwill, because we already know in the theory that goodwill is treated as they have given in the books, like premium method, valuation method. Here goodwill is given as goodwill bring in cash and retained in the business. So we have to record the goodwill is bring in cash and retained in the business. So we have to do the working note, that is goodwill entry will be cash account debit to goodwill account and goodwill account debit to old partners capital or current account, that is in sacrifice ratio. So we have to know the sacrifice ratio. We have to calculate a sacrifice ratio. So distribution of goodwill will be, goodwill is distributed in sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So we have to calculate new ratio. We have given the old ratio of the firm, that is 3:1, and we have to find out the new ratio. So to find out new ratio, here is the formula of calculation of new ratio. Calculation of new ratio is equal to balance of 1 is equal to 1 minus share of new partner. So balance of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 5. How did we get this 1 upon 5? That is share of future profits of the new partner. We have to minus from 1. Then the remaining share will be 4 upon 5. That is called balance of 1. The balance of 1 is 4 upon 5. And the new ratio formula is equal to old ratio into balance of 1. Remaining share of the partners. So this new ratio will be 3 upon 5, 4 into 4 upon 5. So it will be 4 deducted, that is 3 upon 5. Next, current's new ratio 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 5 is equal to 4 deducted is equal to 1 upon 5. Shubham new ratio is already given 1 upon 5. So 3:1:1 is the new profit sharing and loss ratio of the new 3 partners. As we know, the new profit and loss sharing ratio of 3:1:1. Now we are going to distribute goodwill in sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio will be calculated as old ratio minus new ratio. That is, so deep sacrifice ratio is equal to, deep's old ratio is 3 upon 4 and new ratio is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Here we already know that deduction of the fraction is done by equal the denominator. So we here to equal the denominator, we can get in cross multiplication. So 5 into 3 is 15 upon 20 and 4 into 3 is equal to 12 upon 20. So 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 upon 20. Next, current sacrifice ratio 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. Again here we are taking denominator equal. So cross multiplication, 5 upon 20 minus 4 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon 20. So sacrifice ratio is also 3:1. So this sharing goodwill is 10,000 into 3 upon 4 is equal to 7,500, and current sharing goodwill is rupees 10,000, that is 1 upon 4 is equal to 2,500. we have to record this, that is by goodwill account, working note 7500 and 2500. Shubham's do not have any share in the goodwill, so goodwill will be 7500 dips, and that second entry will be to cash account. Second entry will be in cash account. Second effect shown to the cash account because goodwill is bring in cash to goodwill account 10,000. Next, a provision for 5% doubtful debts to be created on sundry debtors. A provision for 5% doubtful debts. So here we are going to balance sheet to show this effect, that is sundry debtors. We can calculate 5% RDD on 32,000, that is less RDD 1,600 and getting value outer side 30,400 by deducting 1,600. 32,000 into 5%, we less 5%, so the value will be 30,400. And the second effect of this IDD, we are going to do in profit and loss adjustment account. So to IDD a new account, that is 1,600. Here we record asset plus on credit side, asset minus on debit side, liability plus credit side, liability minus credit side, liability plus debit side. So here the asset are getting minus or reduction to IDD account, new account, it will be debited to profit and loss adjustment account 1,600. Next adjustment is furniture to be depreciated by 20%. Again it is depreciated of asset, that is furniture 20%. If the value is 2,000 by less depreciation 2,200, we getting 8,800 outer side. 2,200 is less from 11,000, that is getting 8,800 outer side. So here the value of 2,200 also recorded in profit and loss adjustment account, second effect, to furniture account 2,200. Next, stock should be appreciated by 5% and building be appreciated by 20%. Stock getting appreciated, so entry of stock, add appreciation, 5% means 1,000, and that is 20,000 into 5% is 1,000, taking outer side, addition of these two values, that is 21,000. Next 21,000, and the effect of this will be shown in profit and loss adjustment account by stock account 1,000, because it is appreciated, asset getting plus, so it is shown in credit side. Next, building be appreciated by 20%. Building is also appreciated, so we can show the building account that is appreciated, add appreciation 3,200, 19,200, and the second effect will be on profit and loss adjustment account by building account 3,200. Next, capital accounts of all partners be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio through cash account. So we have to make a working note for this, that is calculation of new ratio. Again we have to calculate NPSR, new profit sharing ratio, for find out the capital of the three persons. So calculation of new NPSR, calculation of new ratio is balance of 1 minus 1 upon new shares. We have already done this. 1 minus 1 upon 5 is the remaining share is 4 upon 5. So new ratio will be old ratio into balance of 1. So this new ratio is 3 upon 4 into 4 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 5. Again current new ratio 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 5, deducting the same value we get 1 upon 5. Shubham new ratio will be 1 upon 5. So new profit sharing will be 3:1:1. Now we going to adjust the capital in this ratio. Capital amount to be adjusted in partners NPSR, new profit or loss ratio. So total capital of the firm should be find out on the value of new partners capital. There are two methods to find out total capital of the firm. One is from new partners capital and other is remaining partners capital or old partners capital. Here we have given the new partners capital, so we have to find out the total capital of the firm, that is equal to reciprocal of new partners shares. What do you mean by reciprocal of new partner share? That is we have getting upside down multiplication. Upside down, what do you mean? That is we called in Marathi ultun gunile. So here the Shubham ratio will be 1 upon 5, that is upside down means 5 upon 1. So 5 upon 1 is equal to 5 into new partner share. Here he had bring 20,000 as a capital. So 5,000 into 5 into 20,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 5 into 20,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Total capital of the firm is 1 lakh. Then DIP's capital balance is 3 upon 5 into 1 lakh is equal to 60,000. By making a multiplication, 5 upon 1 lakh is equal to 20,000 into 3 is 60,000. Current capital of balance is 1 upon 5 into 1 lakh is equal to 20,000. And we have already given the Shubham's capital, that is 20,000. So we have to adjust this capital by entry to balance carried down. DIP's working note we have already done. DIP's capital is 60,000, current capital account 20,000 and Shubham's capital is already in 20,000. Now the all adjustments had been done. All adjustments had been done. Now we are going to finalize this account by taking consideration here. First of all, we have the closing balance of the balance sheet. So it will be transferred to the balance sheet liability side. Capital accounts of DIP 60,000, currents 20,000 and Shubham 20,000, overall 1 lakh. Now we getting back to our profit and loss adjustment account. First we have to close profit and loss adjustment account. Here profit or loss transferred to partners capital account, and then whatever but the cash balance, it will be shown in the cash account and cash apparently lastly closed down. Here we have the closing balance is cash. In other problems we get the capital balances of the closing balance or balancing figures as a balancing figures. Here we get the balancing figure as a cash account. So 4,200 credit balance is more, that's why the profit is transferred to partners capital account of profit and loss adjustment account, that is rupees 400, and that is also distributed into old ratio 300 and 100. It is shown by profit and loss adjustment account into the partners capital account credit side by profit and loss adjustment account. DIP's column 300, currents column 100. Now it will be balancing figures taking as a cash account, because we are adjusting the capital by cash account. If there is a current account or loan account, it will be adjusted as a current account or loan account. Here we get credit balance of DIP and current 73,800 and 24,600. it means 4,600 and 13,800 will be given back to Deep and Karan by cash. To cash account 13,800, that is balancing figure, and 4,600 of Karan is a cash balance given back for to Deep by Deep's capital account 13,800, by Karan's capital account 4,600, and balancing figure of the cash is by balance carried down 51,600. This 51,600 balance should be shown to the balance sheet cash account 51,600. Then we will get the balance sheet total 1,61,000 rupees. This is the problem we have to solve like this. We first transferred all the old balance sheet to the new balance sheet, and the adjustments are made properly to the profit and loss adjustment account and partners capital account. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe. For the next lecture we will meet soon towards our pandemic ending in the schools. Thank you very much.